I won first place. But I'm absolutely stoked with second place, and I want to come back and do it again. Kia ora nā, my name is Te Hau Winitana. I'm from Wellington, New Zealand. I am half Cook Island, Māori and Kiwi. I came to San Diego to compete in Heiva San Diego. It's my first time here competing. My dance group is called Inano Dance in Wellington, and yeah, I'm really excited to be here competing amongst other dancers and really talented and good dancers, and it's been a really awesome experience getting to learn the Tahitian culture and dance and oritaiti and learning the different steps and variations in the movement. And yeah, I hope to advance further with my placement and most of all have a good time.
Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
You weren't expecting it?
Not at all. I was not expecting this. I don't know. I was not expecting a placing. Yeah, I'm very grateful for this.
What did you think of the competition overall?
I absolutely loved it. I loved every single moment of it. Loved being on the stage and just being able to tell my story to everybody was really good.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.